Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to generate a general ledger in Wave. General ledger provides a full chronologic listing of all financial transactions. First step, navigate to reports. Go to the report section, and then once you're there, you want to open the account transactions report. This acts as your general ledger in Wave. Click the accounts transactions from the report list. Next is to select accounts and date range. You can choose one or multiple accounts like bank accounts, income, or expense categories, and you're going to need to set your time frame. Step 4, review transaction details. Now, once the report is open, you're going to see date, description, debit and credits, as well as running balances. It's ideal for tracking every financial movement in your business. Step 5, export the ledger. Download the full ledger as a CSV or PDF for audits, reconciliation, or accountant's use. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one.